Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankita. In this video I'm going to show you what all I got from Nykaa.com during the last 2 sales that they had. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for future video notifications. So I bought some things from the Nykaa luxury store that came in this box, and I also got some other items that came in this regular packaging. The first thing that I got is this eyeshadow palette by Wet n Wild. This is called Rosé in the Air and it has 10 shades. Most of the shades in this palette are matte, but I can see 2 shimmer shades. This is a very versatile palette. I think you can create a lot of looks with this. And this Wet n Wild palette is believed to be a dupe for the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. I do not own it. I'm sure it's very expensive. But if this does the job, then who cares? Even if it's not a dupe, I think this palette is a must-have. Also, I'm not swatching this because I plan to do a makeup tutorial using this palette, so stay tuned for that. Next, I got 2 matte eyeshadows from Miss Claire, a pink one and a red one. The shade number for the pink one is 0141 and the red one is 0507. I will have all the product names, numbers and also the links in the description box. I have used Miss Claire eyeshadows in the past and I absolutely love them. They have a little bit of fallout, but I can work with that. And these are very affordable. I think these were for 160 rupees and I also got some discount on it. I also got a green shimmer dust. This is how it looks. I really like the color, so I got it. I'll definitely use this in a video and let you guys know how this one works. Then I got this Miss Claire Artist Pen Liner. It has a felt tip. And this is how the swatch looks. I got this because this was really affordable, but it does an okay job, so I think you can skip this one. You can go for the Maybelline liner instead. It's really good, but it dries up really fast. So keep that in mind if you want to get that one. That is all that I got from Miss Claire. Now moving on. Then I got this beauty blender from PAC. This is how it looks. It's really good. I have used this before. So this one is a repurchase. The next thing that I got from PAC is a pore primer. This is a silicone based primer that is supposed to blur out all the enlarged pores on the face. Like I have a lot of enlarged pores here. So this will be good in blurring them out. I had seen a lot of good reviews about this product, so I got it. Some people have also compared this with the Benefit Professional Primer. I was thinking about getting that one, but the small size of that one is like 11 or 1200 and you get really less quantity. So I got this one instead. From PAC I also got a bunch of eyeshadows. These are single eyeshadows and all of them are matte. So I'll mention all the numbers quickly. This is the PAC matte eyeshadow and this is the shade M34. This is a very beautiful mauvey pink color. The next one is a matte orange shade and the number is 15. Next I got this neonish pink eyeshadow in the number M30. I also got a matte dark blue eyeshadow. This is in the shade number 23. Then I also got this like rusty orange shade in the number M23. The PAC eyeshadows contain 2 grams each. So these are all the things that I got from PAC. Then I also got a few single eyeshadows from Inglot, NYX and Glam Girls. This one is a matte green eyeshadow. This is a very beautiful emerald green color. The shade number is ME14. This one was for rupees 310 and it contains 3 grams of product. And this is how the NYX one looks. This is the shade, it's a khaki color. This is called Confession and it's a matte eyeshadow. The NYX eyeshadow contains 1.5 grams of product. And the Inglot eyeshadow that I got is the shimmery one. This is how it looks. It's a beautiful rose gold color. This one was really expensive. This one was for rupees 600. I don't know why I got it. Then I got 2 more eyeshadows from Makeup Obsession. A really beautiful shimmery purple. This is in the shade E130 New York. And the other one is a matte purple eyeshadow in the shade E116 Royal. These contain 2 grams of product. Then I got a lash glue from Ardell. This is called Lash Grip. This is how the tube looks. It contains 7 grams of product. This is a white glue that turns transparent when dried. I've used this and this works really well. Then I got a liquid eyeshadow from Nicka K in the shade Golden Gemma. This is how it looks. This contains 5 grams. I'm in love with this shade and I can't wait to use this. Then I got a gel liner from L'Oreal. This is the Super Liner in the shade, I think, black. It's called Profound Black 01. This comes in this small tub. The packaging is really beautiful. And it also has a brush. You will definitely see this a lot in my makeup videos. This contains 2.8 grams and this was for I think 800 or 900 rupees, but I got this at 50% discount, so which is great. Next I got this mascara from Maybelline. It's the Hyper Curl Volume Express mascara in the washable variant. I absolutely hate waterproof mascaras. They are a pain to get off because sometimes I just wear makeup when I'm recording a video, so I don't need a waterproof mascara for that. So I got the washable variant instead. So I got this compact from Lakme. This is the Lakme Sun Expert Compact with SPF 40. This says non-sticky sun protection and that is exactly what I need because I have oily skin and it gets really oily during the summers. So I can just wear this and head out, and this will also be easy to reapply. This is how the shade looks. I think this is only available in one shade. This is definitely lighter than my skin tone. I think a shade or 2 light, but I will have to work with it. I mainly got this because this was really inexpensive. I think 210 rupees. The next thing that I got is the Sugar Twist and Shout Fade Proof Kajal in the shade 02. Still got the blues. It's a blue kajal. I have used the black one before and I really liked it, so I just thought of getting the blue one. And I really like that it's a twist up kajal, and that way we don't end up wasting a lot of product. It's really pigmented and this is how the swatch looks. Let's see if it's smudge proof. It does smudge slightly, like I've got a little bit of blue on my finger, but I think I should have given it more time to settle. Let's check one more time. No, it does smudge and transfer. I also got 2 makeup brushes from ProArte. This one is a precision face contour brush. The number is AF11. It's a contouring brush. The next one is an eyeshadow brush. It's called the Tapered Shadow Blending Brush. The number is P23. Now coming to this beautiful black box. Let's open this and see what all I got. I did not order a lot of things because luxury items are expensive. I just ordered 2 things. This set of lipsticks from MAC and 2 liquid lipsticks from Smashbox. There was an offer on MAC Cosmetics that if you order for 3000 rupees, they'll give you 2 samples. So I'll show you the samples first. So I got this MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. So this is basically a makeup fixing spray that can be used before and after makeup. Like before applying the foundation, like a priming water, and also after you're done with your entire makeup, like a fixing spray. I'm really excited to use this. This one is 30 ml and this costs 1000 rupees, which I got for free. And I also got this really small tube of this MAC Strobe Cream. This is 6 ml. I think I'll get a few uses out of this. So anything from MAC is a bonus. And I also got this box with my purchase. It's a nice cardboard box with a magnetic closure. Now coming to the actual product that I ordered. This box is called MAC Festive Lip Kit, and this contains 5 of their best-selling lipsticks in the mini versions. These lipsticks contain 1.8 grams each. So the shades are Velvet Teddy. The second one is called MAC Meher, and it's also a matte shade. The next one is called Chili, and it's a matte shade as well. Then I got the classic red shade Ruby Woo. It's a retro matte lipstick. And the last shade is called Diva. These little MAC lipsticks cost rupees 990 individually, but the entire set cost rupees 4035. I'm not going to swatch these in this video because I will make another video on this, so stay tuned for that. The last item that I got is from Smashbox, and I got 2 liquid lipsticks for 990 rupees. These are also mini versions of their full-size products. These are called Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick, and I got the shade Driver's Seat. And spoiler alert, this one is a mauve nude, and this one has some orange in it. With my Smashbox purchase, I also got a few samples. I got a thank you letter. I got this booklet kind of thing that has 4 of their primers. These are of course samples. I also got these 3 foundation samples. It says they have 40 shades available, which is I think amazing. So I got these to try. So that is it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Let me know what kind of videos will you be interested in so I can make more of those. It will mean a lot to me if you could share this video with your friends and family. It will help our small little YouTube family grow. I will have all my social media details in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all very soon in my next video. Bye.